How to send Zoom meeting link in WhatsApp. If any day any of you are a WhatsApp user and you would like to send the Zoom meeting link in your very WhatsApp but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find your Zoom application on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on it. After tapping on the Zoom application like this, you can see that Zoom will be launched on your very mobile device. After Zoom is launched in your mobile device, first of all, you have to sign in to your very Zoom. You can sign in to any of the option that can be through your Google, that can be through your Apple ID if you're an iOS user. It can also be through any of your other kind of accounts out there, or any of your Facebook or any of your Zoom account that you have directly opened. So like this, you can just sign in to your Zoom account at first. After you sign in to your Zoom account at first, now you have to go to the options like this and then tap on the option of launch the Zoom. After tapping on the option of the launch the Zoom, now you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to tap on the Not Now option here and then go to the option of Get Started. After tapping on the option of the Get Started, now you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now in order to share the link of any of the meeting, now here you can tap on the I like option. This is your personal meeting ID. And then you have to go to the option of the Send Invitation and then go to the option of WhatsApp. After tapping on the option of WhatsApp, now what you can do is if you see the option of update, you can update it and you can send the very link to any of the person that you want in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.